The Young Alumni Service Award celebrates graduates who continue to make a difference long after leaving New Mexico Tech. This year's honoree, Hope Cahill, has turned her passion for science into a gift for teaching, inspiring young minds, empowering future engineers, and keeping the spirit of tech alive in every classroom she enters.
I'm Megha Khandelwal. I'm the director of STEM Education Center here at New Mexico Tech. I met Hope when she was a student in our Master of Science for Teachers program. Hope, as a student in our program, was an excellent student. She was taking all the STEM content and applying in her own classroom. As the MST student, she did research with Dr. Gary X on the Socorro magma body. And then through that research, whatever knowledge she gained, she took it to her own classroom. Hope has been continuing to serve the students of New Mexico. She is a middle school teacher at one of the Santa Fe schools, and she has done an amazing job. She uses hands-on activities to engage students in science, and a lot of her students are now getting STEM degrees because she inspired them at middle school level. She is making the difference all across the board. Every day she goes above and beyond to teach and motivate all those students by helping her school district with professional development and serving in different committees for STEM education. She is helping her community and the state. Also, she is involved with New Mexico Tech. She has been coming here every summer to help with the tech track program for middle school girls. She's also helping with our Rocking Around New Mexico course. I feel Hope Cahill is the most deserving Young Alumni Service Award nominee because, first of all, she's a middle school teacher. She's inspiring next generation of students to go into STEM fields. She also received the highly desiring presidential award from President Joe Biden back in 2022. And she continues to help New Mexico Tech by participating in the Tech Track Award and also with our Rocking Around New Mexico course in the MST program.
I'm William X. Chavez Jr. I'm a professor here at New Mexico School of Mines. One of the things that we as professors notice is how students behave in a class. And it was very apparent very early on that Hope had a distinct interest in what we were doing in terms of geology and trying to teach geology, not just locally, but also the geology that we discuss worldwide. It was very, very important for me as a faculty member to see that in any student, but especially in Hope, as she took the Master of Science teaching courses from us here at Tech. Her principal quality, I think, for Hope is her diligence. She's very dedicated to teaching science and making it very palatable to students, whether it's middle schoolish sort of levels or even graduating into the high school levels, whatever levels she cares to teach. Since graduating from Tech, she's been recognized for that with the Golden Apple Award here in New Mexico, or whether it's the Presidential Award for Excellence in Science, Teaching, and Mathematics, that sort of quality. Because Hope is so dedicated to what she does, that has a spreading influence with the students that she has. All of that stuff sort of diffuses out into the community, into the students and their career paths and their interest in continuing their own education. So perhaps one of the ways we can say that the character that is Hope has been diffused among us who are part of the local community and part of the community here in New Mexico. When I look back how various alumni have served New Mexico Tech over my career here, I can say that Hope very much embodies the spirit of what New Mexico Tech is. And so to reflect that in her as an alumni and receiving an award as an alumnus here is very justified, and it again reflects very positively on us as an institution of higher education, and it certainly reflects back to her and her career. So very well deserved, and something that we will cherish as an institute on her behalf.